Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys some snack ideas that are perfect for people trying to lose weight. Well, I'm gonna start off with these right here, almonds. And before I go on, people always make fun of the way that I pronounce it, but that's just how I say it. But I love almonds, and I usually take about a palm size amount, not a heaping amount, guys. You want just like a decent amount because nuts do have high calorie intakes. Even though they're very good for you, the calorie content is up there. So if you're trying to lose weight, you have to be mindful of that. They have different flavors on their website, but I thought I would try the smoked salt and pepper. Usually I will do sea salt or dry roasted or even raw almonds, but I wanted to try this flavor. But of course you could get almonds from anywhere. Typically if I don't get them from Milk and Eggs, I get the raw almonds from Trader Joe's. The next product that I also get from Milk and Eggs is these rainbow baby carrots. Typically I'll eat these by themselves or I'll eat them with hummus. And usually I get hummus from either Trader Joe's or Milk and Eggs as well. Those are pretty much like the only two places that I shop at. These are so good and they're already ready for you to eat. So usually I just rip open the bag and just pack some wherever I go. The next thing is Kind bars. Kind bars are absolutely amazing. I love them. But this one is the dark chocolate banana. I think Kind bars are like really great snacks on the go. So yeah, this is one if you haven't tried it, I suggest. Plus it's a serving of fruit, so yeah, you can't go wrong. It's only 130 calories as well, so it's a really good light snack. And again, typically for snacks, I try to have at least 2 12-ounce glasses of water, and that'll keep me full for maybe an hour or so until my next major meal. Now, this one is my coconut milk alternative to yogurt because I try not to eat dairy 99% of the time because I am lactose intolerant, but also the effects of dairy with my body just aren't that great, so I avoid it at all costs. That's why I kind of go back and forth between vegan and pescatarian, but even when I'm pescatarian, I try not to eat any type of dairy. So this right here, this So Delicious line, you definitely need to try it if you are a yogurt fan because this stuff is good, okay? So this doesn't keep me full as long, but it is a nice filler if I'm, you know, trying to hold myself up for the next meal. And another thing that I love about this, even though it's non-dairy, it still contains live cultures of the different probiotics that are good for your gut. So yes, this is what I love. The next thing is, I've actually only found this on Milk and Eggs, but since finding it, I have been pretty much in love with this line. I guess this is based out in Connecticut, not too far from where I was born. So pretty much he has some kale chips that I've tried before and some flaxseed crackers. I wish I had all three to show you because I snack on all of those, and they're completely vegan. There's usually about 2 to 3, I believe, servings per bag, but they're super low in calories and they're very flavorful, so it's something to definitely grab when you have a taste of chips in your mouth. The next thing that I absolutely love eating is these sweet bell peppers. They're super tiny, so they're easy to pack, but I usually eat them with hummus, and they're so fresh tasting and sweet. I also get these from Milk and Eggs, and seriously, I kid you not, if you've never just snacked on bell peppers, you need to snack on these ones because they're so sweet and they're just so good. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is some of my snacks. If you need some snack ideas for losing weight, these are some of the things I snack on. Of course, there's other things I snack on as well. If you guys want more videos like this, leave a comment below. Let me know what type of videos you want to see next, whether it be vegan meals, pescatarian meals, more weight loss meals, what I eat in a day videos. Just leave a comment below. Also, if you do live in that area, I will leave a coupon in the description box below, so check a link for that. I've been actually a customer of Milk and Eggs for over a year now, so it definitely comes in handy for me. So why am I out of breath? All right, by the way, for anybody that's new to my channel, I have lost 35 pounds, and as of right now, I'm just maintaining my weight because I'm comfortable at this size. But all my tips are based on losing weight at your own level, your own speed, with no help but only your self motivation. So I hope this video helps you guys, and stay tuned for more. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with all your friends. Like it, and I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Or I'll see you later. Bye.